Welcome to the best picks. The best throat spray is probably one of the most essential tools for any vocalist, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. Maintaining vocal health is paramount for singers, and the right throat spray can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of throat sprays, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect product to keep your voice in top shape. Number 5. Voice 37, all-natural voice remedy for singers. Are you a singer looking to enhance your vocal performance? This product is designed to give you the boost you need. It helps you sing and speak with greater clarity. Hoarseness can be a real problem for singers. This remedy provides soothing relief. It helps to keep your voice in top condition. Your vocal cords are delicate and need proper care. This product lubricates them, ensuring smooth and effortless singing. It helps maintain the health of your voice. Mucus can hinder your vocal performance. This remedy helps to clear away mucus. This allows you to sing and speak more clearly. Want to take your singing to the next level? This product enhances your singing and speaking abilities. It helps you wow your audience. It includes all organic herbs, selected for their soothing and lubricating effects on the voice. There is no alcohol, no preservatives, no parabens, and no artificial flavors. Your voice deserves the best and healthiest. Major gig coming up? Need your voice in perfect shape for a recording session? Take it in advance so you wow them with your prowess. What we like? Voice 37 uses all natural ingredients, ensuring your voice gets the best care without any harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a natural remedy that's gentle on your voice and tastes great, this is the one for you. What people say. If you are a singer, this product is liquid gold. My voice has never sounded clearer, runs were much smoother, and transitioning between falsetto and chest was effortless. The high notes come easier with this stuff, and my voice doesn't feel tired at all at the end of the night. It 100% helps keep my throat from getting worn out, especially during 4-hour shows. It also helps your voice sound crisper. Number 4. Vocal Ease Throat Spray, Soothe Sore Throat. Are you an artist? Does your throat feel sore? This throat spray is endorsed by artists for a reason. It helps soothe your voice. If you overuse your voice, this is for you. Use it daily to help with hoarseness, soreness, and dryness. It's perfect for those who strain their vocals. Vocal Ease is made with 8 clean ingredients. It has no artificial flavors or preservatives. This spray is designed to keep your throat feeling its best. The formula includes honey, ginger, aloe, and other herbal ingredients. These natural ingredients work together to provide immune support. It is all herbal. This product is made in a GMP-certified facility in California. We don't put anything in it that you wouldn't want on your throat. You can trust it. What we like? Vocal Ease provides herbal immune support, which is great for singers. If you have a busy performance schedule and need something to keep your voice in top shape, this spray is designed to help you. What people say. Keep my throat in shape for singing. I use it 0.5 hours before I sing and sometimes during. Does not numb your throat, it just soothes it. Will buy again. It has really helped me to sing longer and stronger. It helps me to get the best out of my vocal performances, and it is very convenient. It tastes good, it improves my range, it seems to prevent irritation to my vocal cords after long sessions. Number 3. Vocal Ease Voice Saver Kit. Are you experiencing vocal strain or discomfort? This kit is designed to provide relief. It's perfect for anyone who relies on their voice, helping to keep it healthy and strong. The kit includes a throat spray and Manuka honey drops. These items work together to provide comprehensive care for your voice. You'll find everything you need to keep your voice in top condition. The throat spray is made with natural ingredients. It contains honey, osha root, marshmallow root, licorice root, propolis, echinacea, ginger root, and aloe vera juice. It's a clean and effective formula. Developed with touring musicians, this product is designed to protect your voice. You can count on it to soothe and support your throat, so you can always sound your best. This product is made in a GMP-certified facility in the USA. It's made with all natural ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your body. What we like? The Vocal Ease Voice Saver Kit includes both a throat spray and honey drops for comprehensive vocal care. If you are looking for a complete solution to soothe and protect your voice, this kit is a great choice. What people say. When I first used the spray, it instantly soothed and coated my throat more than any other product I've used. I always have problems with my throat drying out in the winter and interfering with my singing voice. I've been using the spray for a few weeks, and am pleasantly surprised that I haven't experienced that scratchy throat feeling during my practices or performances. The lozenges taste great, and really help soothe the throat. Number 2. Herbs etc. Singer's Saving Grace Throat Spray. Are you a singer experiencing throat dryness? This spray is designed to provide comfort during long performances or practices. It's a natural solution for those seasonal changes. This throat spray offers natural support for irritation and discomfort. It's formulated to soothe and provide relief. You can rely on it to ease your throat. This spray is perfect for both seasonal and everyday use. The formula includes herbal remedies like yerba mansa, stoneroot, and licorice. It's a great choice for daily throat care. For throat comfort, spray twice into your throat and swallow. Do not exceed 12 applications in a single day. It's easy to use and effective. Herbs etc. uses the right herbs and processes to create formulations that support your health needs. The brand is committed to providing quality herbal products. Trust them for your wellness. What we like. Herbs etc. Singer's Saving Grace offers professional strength herbal support. If you're a singer who needs reliable throat comfort during long performances or in dry conditions, this spray is a must-have. What people say. This spray keeps my voice healthy when my body is sick. It does a lot to keep drainage off of the vocal folds and out of my throat, and it really brings down vocal swelling. It also increases the speed of vocal healing for me. It also really numbs the throat in a way that is effective in producing a great sound. This stuff is wonderful and really helps relax and lubricate my throat mouth when I'm starting to get dried out and or raspy or froggy. Number 1. Clear Voice Vocal Spray, Honey Lemon Flavor. Are you experiencing throat irritation? This all-natural spray is designed to soothe scratchiness. It helps you feel better and sound your best. Whether you're singing or speaking, this spray can help. It's perfect for anyone who uses their voice frequently. It provides the clarity you need. Do coughs, colds, or allergies affect your voice? This spray provides relief. It's a natural solution to help you feel better. Say goodbye to scratchiness and dryness. This spray moisturizes and soothes your throat. It allows you to perform at your best. This is the natural way to care for your voice. It helps you eliminate irritation and dryness. Try it and experience the difference. What we like. Clear Voice Vocal Spray is designed to soothe irritation and moisturize your throat with a refreshing honey lemon flavor. If you like a pleasant taste and want to eliminate scratchiness, dryness, or irritation, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Good. Not a burning sensation like so many other throat sprays. The product itself worked very well. The flavor was decent and it really added moisture to my throat for hours. Excellent voice clear spray. I used before I sing at my church. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.